We're going to assume that the Poisson distribution applies since the mean number of hurricanes in a certain area is 6.8 per year. Find the probability that in a year there will be 5 hurricanes. Okay, so we want to find P of 5, so when X is 5. And we're going to use Excel to do this. You can use the formula, but Excel does it beautifully. I'm going to go to Formulas, More Functions, Statistical, and then I'm going to go down here to Poisson. Okay? Then X is the number I want, so in this case 5. And then they told us our mean was 6.8. Okay? And then now here, we only want 5, so we're going to put false. If you read down here, cumulative is the logical value for the cumulative Poisson. We use true, so cumulative means add up to 5. And for the Poisson mass function, so in other words, just 5, you're going to use false. Okay, so this is the big thing to keep track of here. That's probably the hardest part. So I'm going to put OK, if it'll work for me. There we go. So then my answer here is 0.135 because they want 3 decimal places. So 0.135. Okay, so that's the probability that we got 5 hurricanes in 1 year based on our mean. And then the expected number of years with 5 hurricanes. Well, expected number is the mean. So in this case, out of our book, was NP. So N is 55 times the probability we just got, 0.135. So then the answer is 7.425. Rounded is 7.4. So this is just NP. N is this 55 years from up here, and P is part A. Okay, and then they're saying that in a recent period of 55 years, 7 years had 5 hurricanes. Does it seem to work well? Well, that's pretty close to 7.4, so it's close to. So it does seem to work well for this situation. So you can see how to do this. The biggest thing when you're using, if you use the formula always gives you the mass function. So in other words, the exact number. If you want the cumulative, you would have to do a bunch of them and add them up. Excel gives you the choice. Do I want a range or just a value? And that's that true and false. You have to make sure you know the difference.